For the goal of developing a sense of integrity and accountability, government officials and employees should: is it A, be given value and clarification seminars? B, keep performance records? C, be given recognition, awards, or incentives? Or letter D, get rid of useless, meaningless rules. For the goal of developing a sense of integrity and accountability, ano ba ang kailangang gawin ng ating government officials and employees? Letter A, tumpak po kayo dyan mga kaguro. For the goal of developing a sense of integrity and accountability, ang kailangang gawin ng ating government officials and employees should be given value and clarification seminars. Okay, bakit? Sinasabi niya po dito, this directly addresses the internal development of ethical awareness, integrity, and accountability. So, kailangan nating magpakabiasa, kailangan nating ma-educate for us to be clarified at malaman natin, magkaroon tayo ng sense of integrity and accountability. What else? Sa letter B, key performance records. It just tracks behavior. Okay? So wala po siyang may bibigay to develop the sense of integrity and accountability. C, be given recognition awards or incentives. Ang ginagawa lamang po neto, it encourages performance. While letter D, get rid of useless and meaningless rules. It just improves efficiency.